वज़ीर ख़ारिजा शाह महमूद कुरैशी इस वक्त तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं, आपसे शेयर करते हैं।
Attaches great importance to enhancing its relation with ECA member states based on comprehensive engagement. Excellencies, Pakistan has been successful in maintaining excellent political relations with all the regional countries. Regular interaction at the highest level has laid solid foundation for continued expansion of cooperation in all areas of interest. Pakistan and the states have developed a commonality of view on important international and regional issues, particularly regarding regional security, peace and sustainable development. Excellencies, regional integration and connectivity is one of the key pillars of our government's policy that enables us to join hands in pursuing our common objective of bolstering peace and development in our region. This is where Pakistan and other countries of the region have the biggest opportunity to work for the betterment of our people. Ladies and gentlemen, improved connectivity among the ECA member states will not only raise the living standards of common people and future generations, but also lead to the region's march towards greater integration in keeping with common culture and shared ethnicity and history. Greater connectivity among the member states through rail, road, sea and air linkages will act as a catalyst to boost intra-region trade. It will also bring down the cost of transportation, which is a big plus for the regional economic blocks. Our vision of connectivity, where we are better integrated with sound infrastructure, remains a key development goal for the region.
नाज़रीन, आप गुफ्तगू सुन रहे थे वज़ीर ख़ारिजा शाह महमूद कुरैशी की, जो कि इक़्तिसादी ताउन तंज़ीम की तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे, और उनका ये कहना था कि ख़ित्ते के ममालिक के साथ पाकिस्तान बेहतर ताल्लुकात का ख़्वाह है।